Hey, this is Willie Peters here with Lamar Trailers. Recently we started something here called Simplified Manufacturing. I read the book by Paul A. Akers, 2 Second Lean, and I came up with my first video on an improvement that I think is awesome. It makes me excited, so I want to show it to you. I want to try to do it in a short period of time and so that you can understand it. So here it is. We have a work order for each of our trailers. We build 10,000 trailers a year, and they look like this. And as you can see, a lot of information. But you know what? This is a normal, regular trailer. We build these trailers every single day. The only thing that's abnormal about it is this AK axle right here. The rest is all normal. But it takes an employee a long time to study this, the welder, the one that's supposed to build this, to know what's different about it. He might miss it that it had AK axles because all of this stuff is actually normal. This is what every single trailer gets. And then obviously that's the difference right there, so it needs to stick out. This is a 14-foot 83 DL trailer. 83 by 14, normal trailer. This is my simplified version of it. Really clear up top what it is, and only relevant information. I removed everything that is not relevant, that you don't even have an option for. So for instance, lights, LED package. Well, all of ours have that. Wiring is wiring, right? Stuff like that. Decals, decal package. All of this stuff is not relevant for the welder or even for the finishing guys for that matter, because there's no other option. It's always going to be this. So I took all of those out in the sales configuration templates, which is on the side, and so only the relevant things come in. The only thing that's wrong here is, as you can see, it did not print it in order, which we need to fix. I'll figure that out yet, why I didn't do that. And an interesting thing here too is anything that's not default, I made it bold here. So as you can see, this three-way pump on this trailer is not normal, is not default, so I made it bold and italicized, and I can highlight it if I want to. The way we were going around it is Jamie would manually always type it in here, which is extra work. And same thing here. He's already picked this, but he's saying it again over here in red text so that it will stand out, so that people, the welder who picks this and looks at it, will instantly be able to see what's special about it. But we can automatically do that. Save Jamie some time, because if he doesn't remember, or if he ever gets a helper, they might not know all of this stuff, and then we're in trouble, right? So it needs to be simple and automatic. Look how easy this is to read. You got some good information here. How many pages, VIN number, work order number, how long it should take to build this trailer from start to finish, when it must be started. We don't care about what the promise date is. At this point, the employee just needs to know by when he needs to start it, right? Which is a couple days before the ship date. And then who it's sold to. You know, we used to have these, what does BES 7777 stand for? I don't know. I don't know who this guy is. Over here, this makes it a little bit relevant. What if the welder welding this says, hey, you know what? I build trailers that go all over the country. This trailer here is for Gerber Trailers in Lincoln City, Oregon. How cool is that? I'm welding a trailer that's gonna go to Oregon, and someone's gonna use it there in Oregon. Pretty cool. Makes it a little bit more relevant, a little bit more special, I would say. And you know what? Who cares if people know who we build it for? If our competitors find this along the side of the road, or somebody finds out who all our dealers are, because our dealers are loyal. They love Lamar Trailers because it's the best. So simple, complicated. We're not okay with status quo. We're gonna improve things, make them easier, and the best part of this all is it's frustration free. It makes the employee be able to see what stands out quicker and prevent mistakes, instead of trying to figure things out or having to highlight things and cause more work for us. A lot of irrelevant things on here. This here, nobody cares about. We don't know what that is. The people outside don't know what that is. Full VIN number, no one cares about. We just need the last 6 because that's what they stamp into the trailer. So at this point, this is all they need. This here is so long that it actually printed an extra page with nothing on it, because that's how long it is. That's how much space it was taking. Then we do another copy, same way. You can see, didn't all fit on here. Blank page behind it, because it didn't all fit on there. So it's just waste. Too much time, too much effort. So another real world example outside, that kind of inspired this is this over here. We all know what this is. It's a boarding pass. There's a lot of information on here that we don't care about, and we don't even know what it is. Doesn't make sense. Not sure why it's on there. Maybe they do, but I don't. This is what we need it to look like, right? If I don't fly very often, this is my map. I can understand this. This is who it's for. This is where it's from, going to, gate number, flight number. Oh, this guy's boarding looks like, so a boarding time zone, what seat I'm in, and it even shows on there on the plane what seat it is in. They have this information. I can put it on there. Departure time and what day it is. Simple, easy to read, traditional thinking mindset of more is better, but actually less is more. That's what we're doing over here. So if you have any ideas like this, or you can make some improvements like this, make a video that shows before and after, or at least pictures. I want to see about it, and then let's make our lives easier, simpler. Thanks.